everybody, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are good and to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various benefits and trading policies. For booking or more details, below to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you.
If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. And after watching the video,